Peace be on you all. So today I'm going to share with you the difference between pixel line height and unitless line height. So this one paragraph 2 have line height. So its size is 16 pixel, height is 32 pixel. So here it's 16 pixel size, and this is 2 unitless number. So it's so this one, the earlier one was in pixel, 32 pixel, as you can see here, and this one is 2 line height in unitless number. So let's say your client comes up and say, hey, can you make it 32 pixel because 16 pixel looks small? So you just go in here and adjust the 32 pixel. You can see this looks awful, right? So here, if your clients come up and say 32 pixel, just make it 32 pixel, and it will automatically adjust the line height for you because it's in a unitless number. So it's just 2 into 32 pixel is just 64 pixel because it's multiplying. If you, let's say, if I put a 64 pixel here, you see no difference because it's just so 1 is stand for like 32 multiplied by 1 is equal 32 pixel. If you want to make it, if you want to make the line height double, it will be 32 into 2 is equal 64. Here in the pixel case, you have to come up and here make it manual adjustment, and then it will look the same. So this is the difference between line height between pixel and unitless number. If your client come up and say make it 12 pixel, you see how, I mean, it's just adjusted accordingly. But if your client comes here and say change the size, where line height is in 64 pixel, which is fixed, if you put here, look how awful it looks. Line height is too big, so you have to just go here and manually adjust. 12's double is 24 pixels. So yeah, so you can just make it 1.5, which is gonna be 150% of whatever the number right now here is. So 12 into 1.5, if you go here and let's say 1.5, it's gonna be 18 pixel. So this is the number here. 18 pixel is the line height of this this text. So hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. Take care guys, bye bye, peace be on you all.